Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, and today's app is related with Snapchat. And in today's Snapchat video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can share your Snapchat videos on WhatsApp, and it's pretty simple, and follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So the first step is, after you open Snapchat, you want to go to the place where the video is. So I'm gonna click on the two-person icon at the bottom of the screen. So this is the place where all the videos are available. Alright, so let's say I want to share where it says this cleaning duty, then I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it, there's going to be a 3 line at the top right corner of it. I'm going to click on that like this. And once I click on the 3 line, I can click on share snap. And once I click on share snap over here, you can see the WhatsApp option over here where it says under share elsewhere. Alright, so I'm going to click on where it says WhatsApp. Now once I click on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp will open up, and it's going to ask me to whom do I want to share it. So let's say I want to share it to this group called the first one over here. I click on it, and then at the bottom right, I'm gonna click on next. Once I click on next, it's gonna say this, and over here at the top right corner you can see the send button. You can click on it. Once you click on send, it's gonna be shared to the person whom you choose or on the group which you choose. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can share your Snapchat videos on WhatsApp. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.